Welcome to Inverness, a city in the Scottish Highlands where our journey begins. Nestled on the banks of the River Ness, this city is steeped in history and teems with enchanting tales. From the ancient stones of Inverness Castle to the whispers of lore in the old town, every corner of this city has a story to tell. The aerial view is nothing short of breathtaking, encompassing the majestic cityscape, the winding river, and the sweeping highlands that stretch as far as the eye can see. But our adventure doesn't stop here. As we leave behind the city's charming streets and venture into the wild, we're heading towards a destination that promises to be even more captivating. Our journey takes us westward, through scenic routes that weave between mountains and mirror-like lochs, where the air is crisp and the vistas are unforgettable. From the heart of Scotland, we embark on a journey towards the mesmerizing Isle of Skye. As we leave Inverness behind, we venture into the wide-open roads surrounded by the majestic Scottish Highlands. The city's hustle and bustle quickly fade into a serene background score of nature's symphony. The route to the Isle of Skye is a spectacle in itself, a sensory delight of panoramic vistas and charming tranquility. We cross iconic bridges, each a marvel of engineering nestled amidst nature's grandeur, serving as gateways to the stunning landscapes that line the route. The verdant valleys, rugged cliffs, and shimmering lochs paint a picturesque canvas that is quintessentially Scottish. As the miles roll by, the transition from the city to the serene countryside becomes more pronounced. The air grows fresher, the scenery more dramatic, and the soul more content. The journey, a medley of nature's poetry and man's craftsmanship, is a testament to the charm of the Scottish Highlands. The journey is just as beautiful as the destination, a testament to the stunning beauty of Scotland. As we cross the Skye Bridge, the enchanting Isle of Skye comes into view. The sight is truly breathtaking. You're greeted by rugged cliffs that stand tall, defying the waves that crash upon them. Their stark majesty is a sight that can stir the soul of even the most seasoned traveler. Turn your gaze, and you'll see serene coastlines, their sandy shores kissed by the gentle ebb and flow of the crystal-clear waters. The contrast of the tranquil beaches against the dramatic cliffs is a testament to the whimsical charm of nature itself. Our eyes are treated to a panoramic aerial view of the island, a sight that leaves no doubt about the sheer beauty of this place. Key landmarks dot the landscape, each with a story of its own. From the mystical fairy pools to the quaint coastal villages, each is a jewel in the crown of this magical island. The Isle of Skye, a place where nature's beauty is on full display, welcomes us with open arms. The Isle of Skye is a treasure trove of natural wonders waiting to be explored. This ethereal land is home to an array of enchanting landmarks, each with its own unique charm and allure. Take the fairy pools, for instance. These crystal-clear emerald pools, fed by cascading waterfalls, are a sight to behold. They're nestled at the foot of the Black Quillan Mountains, creating a landscape so picturesque it's almost surreal. The waters of these pools are so transparent, you can see every pebble on the riverbed, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of light and color. Then there are the island's rugged cliffs, standing tall and defiant against the relentless waves of the Atlantic. These natural fortresses, carved by the elements over millennia, are a testament to the enduring power of nature. Their stark beauty, contrasted with the serene coastlines of the island, creates a visual symphony that's nothing short of awe-inspiring. The Isle of Skye is also a sanctuary for unique flora and fauna. From the vibrant heather that paints the hills purple in autumn, to the majestic golden eagles that soar in the skies, the island is teeming with life, adding yet another layer to its rich tapestry of wonders. The Isle of Skye, with its unspoiled beauty and serene landscapes, is truly a piece of heaven on earth. As the sun sets on the Isle of Skye, our journey comes to an end. We've traced our path from the vibrant city of Inverness, through the picturesque countryside, and onto the magical Isle of Skye. We've marveled at the rugged cliffs, dreamed beside the fairy pools, and savored the tranquility of serene coastlines. Each turn of the road unveiled a new spectacle, a fresh wonder. From the bustling city of Inverness to the serene Isle of Skye, we've experienced the captivating charm of Scotland in all its glory.